What up, Joker Squad? It's your girl, Princess J, back in another video. And today, guys, if you're YouTube channel, subscribe to this video, subscribe to everything. You know what I'm saying? You leave, like this video, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, and you'll be notification. So let's hop right into this video. Ooh, this way. It's like, ooh, is it this way? I don't know, but let's get into the video. That's all I know. I'm getting into the video. So my god. So we're gonna be making slime out of chocolate. You guys can't see me, but we're gonna turn the camera. Camera. Okay. So let's turn the camera. Let me put it in light for you guys to see. Like no light here. I can see it. So what you're gonna do is mix up the chocolate together. Make sure it's like melted chocolate. And then you're going to add some clear glue. I'm gonna add my clear glue. So I added my clear glue, and now I'm gonna mix it together. It looks like it wants to activate, but it doesn't really have an activator as yet. So this will be edible slime. I know it has glue in it, but we're going to taste it and see if it's edible. So after, you're going to add some water. I'm using the water that I'm drinking right now. This water right here. Made out of my cup. And I'm going to add some water in this spoon right here. So I'm going to have to hold the camera. And just do this. Cross my legs right now. Not good. Okay. If I messed up, guys, say Princess J. I know I believe in you, and I will always believe in you. Okay. I didn't mess up, so you guys don't have to say that. So I'm gonna pour this in. If you can see the spoon, it's a little bit blurry, but we're gonna. Oh my god, guys! See this right now? There's. Look at this guy. Guys, I'm gonna mix this and see. Oh my god, guys, this looks so like slimy. It just looks edible for me. So guys, I'm gonna taste this. Taste it, guys. Taste it. Okay. So guys, now I'm gonna add in some activator, and we're gonna get this started. Okay. So, is that an activator? Okay, so I add my activator, and we're here, and we have edible slime. Tastes good. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like this video, subscribe, and hope you have an enjoyed day. I can see you where I'm from. Hey, Billy Graham, got it. Hey, Billy Graham, Gucci got it.